The chill of winter's frozen air. The taste of herbal tea, sweetened with fresh maple syrup. The sparks and crackling of a toasty, warm fire. The pounding of your heart. The skipping of your heart. You must have touched once. The smell of pine in autumn, when the temperatures drop just enough to ignite your sense of smell in a new way. The dropping of your heart into the pit of your stomach. The quivers and shivers after you've cried endless tears. The smell of chocolate chip cookies baking in the oven. The view from the peak of a mountain. Wanting to give up, feeling you can't possibly go on, and yet you do. The moment you realize someone really loves you. The taste of the first fluffy snow on your warm tongue, squinting your eyes and smiling as big as can be. The anticipation of Christmas morning, excitement as big as the sky. The anticipation of waiting for news from a doctor after a big fright. Holding your breath in fear, holding your breath in awe. You must have touched once. A holy moment. A birth of a baby. The strength that comes during weakness and doubt. Bravery that comes in order to persevere. The sweet smell of a baby's breath. The disappointment that comes after a lie. The sympathy that rises from helplessness. A fresh-baked cinnamon apple pie. The full moon perfectly placed in your hands. Silently crying yourself to sleep. Breakfast in bed. A homemade gift. A love note from a cherished friend. You must have touched at least once the depth and profundity of being alive and experienced life.